Let's dive into our review of Sri Mata Vaishno Devi University in Katra, established in 1999. With a 3.8 out of 5 student rating on Shiksha.com, we'll explore what makes this university a potential choice for BTech students. Let's start with placements, where SMVDU's flagship BTech program has a placement rating of 3.3 out of 5. The training and placement cell actively supports students in job placements with top recruiters including TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Capgemini and Maruti Suzuki. Last season, common roles offered were software developer and web developer. A 4 to 6 week summer internship program is also provided with access to mentors and infrastructure. The median salary for graduates in 2022-23 is 5.5 lakh per annum, showcasing an increase of about 53% from 3.6 lakh per annum in 2020-2021. The placement rate stands at about 67%. For comparison, the neighbouring Model Institute of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, offers a median salary of 4.2 lakh per annum, making SMVDU a more competitive option. The BTech program, rated 3.8, is offered in 5 specializations. Next, let's take a look at the eligibility criteria. Candidates must have passed the 10+2 or equivalent, at least with a 50% aggregate marks. Admission can be applied for through SMVDU's direct counselling based on JEE Main rank and availability of seats. Recent JEE Main cutoffs show intense competition in CSC and ECE specializations compared to others. Over the past 2 years, competition has also significantly increased in ME, CE and EE specializations. The total fees for the BTech program is around 6.55 lakh for 4 years. With a median salary of 5.5 lakh per annum, the return on investment is quite favorable. Coming to the 4.4 rated infrastructure now. The 470-acre campus features top-notch facilities including a well-stocked library, modern computer labs, research centers, a sports complex, cafeteria, gym and auditorium. All classrooms are Wi-Fi enabled and air-conditioned with lecture recording systems in 4 halls. The university offers hostel facilities with 5 girls' hostels and 2 boys' hostels plus a convenience store. The 3.4 out of 5 rated faculty and curriculum of SMVDU is a mixed bag. The teachers who hold PhD and MTech degrees are generally well regarded. Students report good relationships with faculty but feel the curriculum could be updated. The academic structure is rigorous with minor exams twice per semester, a major exam, a 40% pass mark and a 75% attendance requirement. Taking student experiences into account, SMVDU has earned a 4.1 star rating for its vibrant crowd and campus life. The university has a male to female ratio of 2:1 along with a domicile to non-domicile ratio of approximately 4:5. The campus offers a secure and supportive environment, fostering a healthy work-life balance. Numerous clubs and annual fests keep the campus lively. Wrapping up the review with rankings, where SMVDU is ranked in the 101 to 150 band in the engineering category by the NIR of 2023. For more details on SMVDU and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.